Hey, I'm looking for a resource for wholesale bracelets that I can cover with my fabric. If you have a resource, please share it with me because until I find that, I'm going to have to keep covering my cardboard because I want to make my fabric bracelets. So for now, I'm cutting this cardboard on my Glowforge to glue them together and make a bracelet form. I want my bracelet to have a rounded contour to it. I don't want the sides to be flat. So in the middle, I've put a larger piece of cardboard round. And then on the bottom and the top of the larger pieces, I put two smaller pieces. That way I could have a curve in my bracelet, the way that the wood bracelets have. Now that I have my bracelet form, I can wrap it. I love this African batik fabric. So I'm going to just cut about an inch wide piece, and I guess it's probably about 36 inches. I may not need that much, but I'm gonna fold one end of it and then glue inside my bracelet and start to wrap. Now, if you want to make it easier on yourself, you could take an iron and turn your edge under, but I just turn my edge under as I go. Okay, I love this fabric so much. I said, let me make a pair of easy earrings to go with this. So I'm gonna cut, this is from the center of the bracelet blanks that I cut. So, and this is about a 3-inch earring, so it's really a big earring. So I'm just gonna cut a piece that's bigger than my form, cut it out, glue it, and then glue another piece of fabric on the back of it. This is another bracelet that I made using the bracelet the bracelet form. And these earrings are made with shower rings. I have a video where I show how I make this using the shower curtain rings.